Once a commercial plane reaches the desired altitude, the pilot often travels at a cruising speed. On average, the cruising speed is 570 miles per hour. If a plane travels at this cruising speed for 7 hours, how far does the plane travel while cruising at this speed? So we have 570 miles per 1 hour. We want to know how many miles it will travel. So we need to get rid of the hours. And the way that we can do that is by multiplying. The hours will divide out. And then all we have to do is 570 times 7. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 5 is 35. Plus 4 more makes 39. So it will travel 3,990 miles. The units miles stays, but the units hours are divided out. Number 2 says Denver, Colorado often experiences snowstorms, resulting in multiple inches of accumulated snow. During the last snowstorm, the snow accumulated at 4/5 of an inch per hour. If the snow continues at this rate for 10 hours, how much snow will accumulate? So we're looking at the inches of snow. So we want to get rid of the hours, which means we need to put the hours on the top. So that way those divide out. 4 times 10 is 40. 5 times 1 is 5. And 40 divided by 5 is 8. So this will be 8 inches of snow.